You're in a meeting and five people are talking, but it feels like five different conversations. One person is talking about timing, the other about budget, this and then that. Someone else is already discussing marketing. It sounds busy, but something is wrong. It is all over the place. Nobody is really aligned. Then the manager says, before we continue, we need to make sure we are all on the same page. All on the same page. So in English, this idiom, on the same page, means everyone understands something in the same way and agrees about the plan or the situation. The image comes from reading a book together. We all read the same book. If someone is on a different page, then they're looking at a different thing. They're not on the same page. If everyone is on the same page, they're looking at the same information and are referring to the same thing. So in conversation, it means people share the same understanding. We are on the same page. Let me give you another example at work. Imagine a team planning an event. Some people think the event will happen in June, others think it will happen in July. Some think it will be online, while others think it will be in person. The leader stops the discussion and says, let's make sure we are all on the same page. The event is in June and it will be in person. We are all on the same page. Now everyone clearly understands the plan. They're on the same page. The team is on the same page. The discussion becomes more meaningful. Here is another simple example. Imagine a teacher explaining an assignment to a class. Some students think that the project is due next week. Others think it is due next month. The teacher says, let's get on the same page. The assignment is due next Friday. So now every student understands the deadline. We say everyone is on the same page. You also hear this idiom often in business meetings. When people want to confirm that everyone understands the same plan, they say, let's make sure we're all on the same page. So remember, on the same page means everyone understands and agrees about the same thing. Try saying it aloud, the whole phrase. On the same page. On the same page. Are we on the same page?